Today we got a video from Cops and Karen, and the title of the video is Entitled Women Think They Own the Casino Starts Fighting Everyone.
Inside a casino in Des Plaines, early one morning, a routine removal of a group turns into a moment of violence.
She did not do shit.
All right, guys, they don't want you here.
I didn't do nothing to them.
I know.
Who do I talk to about that, though, baby?
They don't want you here. They just don't want you here.
But who do I talk to about that? Y'all just let them do that? I'm losing $4,800.
What point do they have? No reason, no point.
You know it's your private property. If
That's
they don't want you,
bogus.
they don't want you.
Hey, baby, that's bogus as hell.
Just chill.
Who do I talk to about them, though?
You just gotta go
So
online.
y'all, you just let them win, right?
No, I ain't let nobody win.
Come on now. Come on. That shit bogus when I'm losing money.
All right, let's go. Get your money. Let's go.
Ain't no just get my money, just go when I'm losing $4,800, bro.
I know. You came here to play. You gotta lose.
What about them? They mad at another motherfucker. I don't got nothing to do with what they talking about
Let's go.
anyway.
You get your people telling you, let's go, let's go.
Baby, I don't got nothing to do with what they talking about.
Stop. You know,
They mad because I won.
right?
Listen.
I get you.
This do pays
Well,
count.
leave them on me.
let's
I
go.
don't need you.
Give her your money.
Thank you.
I'm gone.
I don't need no motherfucker. What I'm trying to tell you, they bogus as
Calm
hell.
down. Let's calm down.
Y'all can't keep doing that. Y'all can't keep letting no motherfucker that's bogus as hell.
Let's
But
go.
so why you doing it? Why is you doing it?
Ma'am, let's go.
Why is you letting your, cause he work here, get down on me when I ain't did no wrong
They
to
don't
him?
want you here, so let's go.
But he disrespected me. I wasn't even playing no
Let's go
game.
online and then do a complaint.
Ain't no online when I'm here. So where I talk to while I'm right here?
We can't talk to nobody.
No, you ain't gonna tell me that. I can talk to whoever I'm here at this facility.
Let's leave.
I should be able to talk
Stop
to the
yelling
manager.
at me. I'm not yelling at you.
Just talk. This do pays
What the
count.
manager?
Let's leave.
I want to talk to whoever owns this bitch.
Let's go.
I know my rights, baby. I know my rights.
Ma'am, can we go?
My motherfucking mama is the
you
motherfucking
too close
state
to my
representative
face.
here.
You're too
My
close to
mama
my
is state
face.
representative.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ain't no let's go outside. I'm gonna get my bread. Out somewhere.
Can you guys catch her out so we can leave?
In the door they is. But y'all not gonna tell me that. They could be racist to me and do shit to me. I wanna press charges. So let me what
She
the
didn't do
paperwork?
nothing wrong.
What the paperwork? I wanna press charges.
All right, we'll do it outside.
I call the police. I wanna press it here. It happened here. It happened here. No, I'm not going out.
I like this officer. Yeah, I could tell, bro, right here, he been around black people before. Like he know how we act. Like he not really phased. Like he cool, you know, other officers, no offense, you know, no race thing, whatever, but other officers they be all, and you know, she don't really. This one here, now the other one, she keeping it cool. This one here, she's just upset. You know what I'm saying? But there is gonna come a point in time where, you know, he probably not gonna let her continue on, but like, you know, he keeping it professional, but he also sympathized a little bit. I could see just his demeanor, the way I like it.
I'm not going outside. I want to do it here.
We're gonna go.
I don't want to go outside.
You gotta leave.
Grab your couple.
No, it happened to him.
Get your money. Get your
It's
money.
him.
Just get your money.
Hey, look, it's against him. I don't want to go outside.
Get your money.
I don't want to go outside. It's
Is that your
against him.
phone? What's her phone?
I ain't going outside though.
You gotta leave, man.
I'm not. I'm pressing charge against him.
For what?
Why do I gotta go outside? Cause he pushed
They
me.
don't want you. They
He
don't want
pushed me.
They don't
And he
want you.
disrespected me. Why do I gotta go outside? Tell me the reason why I
They
gotta
don't
go.
want you here.
Okay? And I want to press charge because he the one. I don't want to call the
You guys
police.
can go. And
I'll call the
complain
police
against
first.
them. They didn't call the police. They called the police. Ma'am, just get your stuff and let's go.
Being disrespectful.
Y'all ass be bogus as hell. Y'all don't care.
Let's go.
You gotta go or you're gonna get
What's
arrested.
how you know this is?
Get arrested for
For
what?
trespassing. They don't want you here.
I say I want to press charges on.
Trust me.
I call the
We can
police.
talk about it.
Let's go. Let's do it outside.
Just walk.
Let's go outside.
Come on. Sometimes you just gotta walk shit off.
Let's go. Let's do it outside.
No matter what.
Yep. Let's do it outside.
Also, me. Oh, because he work here. Oh, because he
You
work
just
here.
being too touchy right now. Let's
They
go.
call all type of
Let's go. Let's go. You can file complaint now.
That's a bitch too though.
All right, then let's get the out of here then.
Okay.
Get the out of here. Let's go.
I said I want to press charges.
Let's go.
Hold on.
Wait, hold on. I ain't hear what she said. Cause she been calm for the most part.
Let's go. You can file complaint now.
That's a bitch too though.
All right, then let's get the out of here then.
Okay.
Let's go. You can file complaint now.
That's a bitch too though.
All right, then let's get the out of
She
here.
called them the B word.
Get the out of here. Let's go.
Yeah, I like that officer. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, we gotta go outside. We're not gonna stay here all day.
Yeah, my boy about to turn up.
You got your shit already.
Stop pinching me,
Let's
stop
Yeah.
Y'all some
Let's go.
touching me. Stop pinching
Let's
my
go.
skin.
I ain't nobody's picturing shit. Let's
Yes, you
go.
will.
And y'all ass racist as fuck.
Let's get the fuck out of here then.
I don't get no y'all practice as hell. Y'all ass practice. Let me go. I'm walking out. So why you touching
All right, let's go.
I'm already walking.
Let's go.
Why'd you pinching my
I ain't
arm?
nobody picturing shit.
Yes, you will.
Let's go.
Y'all ass.
Let's go.
Let her go. Tomorrow.
Okay, I'm out. Now let me go. Let me go. So let me
Put
go.
yours around the baby. You take it right now.
So what she go?
No, I ain't do nothing.
Oh, staying over there. Stop trying to go over there.
You know that? I left out.
So okay, so let her go.
Go over there.
Let her go.
Oh, wow.
Let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
What's up?
Let her go. Let her go.
Oh, what's up? He
Let
said-
me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me the go. Let me the go. Let her go, man.
Hold up. Hold up.
Go over there.
Let her go.
That's crazy.
Let her go.
No.
Let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
What's up?
Let her go. Let her go.
Yeah, he said, what's up?
Let me go. Let me go.
Yeah, what's up?
Let me the go. Let her go, man.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not.
Put yours around the back. Put yours around. Put yours
I'm
back.
not doing nothing.
You're under arrest. Put yours around the back.
Okay, I'm right.
Put your fine. Put yours around the back.
Let her the go, man. Let her
Oh, she
go.
bald. Oh, God damn. What the hell?
Let her the go. Cause I ain't doing shit. She ain't doing shit.
Oh, she bald.
Put your fucking hand behind your back. I'm gonna take you to the ground.
I'm not doing nothing, baby. I'm not disrespecting you. That's my little.
Let me get your other hand. Let me get your other hand.
I'm saying sorry. Hey, baby. But you see what that's what they do. That's what they do.
Y'all ass arrest her for what? These bitches, y'all ass some bitches. Let me the fuck go.
Damn.
Let me go. Y'all ass racist as fuck. Y'all ass racist. Record us, Chico.
6-1. Show
Chico? Oh, man.
Yeah, I got it.
I ain't moving away from him. I'm talking to my friend right here. I'm talking to him. He right there.
All right, I'm gonna take your money. Put it in. Look.
No, don't take my money. Please
All
don't.
right, you're gonna both come with us.
Y'all ass
Let's walk over there.
y'all ass racist. You touch me, you kick me, or do anything. Your bitch ass going down. Y'all ass some bitches.
We're gonna lift you up, man, all
Y'all
right?
ass. Y'all ass.
Damn, she bald, man. God damn.
Grab my wig, y'all ass. Get my shit, I don't care. Y'all ass racist as fuck. Y'all ass racist.
Where's your car? You wanna go to your car?
Why everybody gotta be racist? That's,
Y'all
come
ass
on.
I'm
racist.
not running from
Yeah,
you,
you
sir.
going to the car. You going to the car. You going to the car. I know you're going to the car. All right, we told you get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
Back you.
My son must be Italian or something. My son, he got black friends though. That's a fact. I could tell.
Give him your money.
No, hell no.
All right.
That's a
What I
fact.
do to you?
All right. Trespass.
What I do?
Trespass.
Yeah, you ain't acting right.
I ain't do shit. I'm going to jail for trespass. No, let's walk down here. No.
You're not gonna tell me where the f to go.
Record it, bro.
Act
I
right.
ain't got no phone.
My phone in that phone, in that car. No, record it.
Get the f right here. Wait.
I didn't do shit to you.
Wait. Stop you
I
resisting.
didn't do shit. I'm not resisting. What I do to you?
You guys just had to leave. Why you gotta do
We
extra?
did.
No, you didn't.
But
You
y'all-
were drinking,
but we
my
didn't
guy.
do- I don't get no, cause y'all ass being racist. Let me, why you strong on me?
Guys, that's good. Go over here.
Okay. Stop strong arguing. Show bitch head. Let me stop strong arguing. Time back.
Get her. Okay.
They're racist because you gotta get removed from private property.
It's gonna make you get no weapon.
I ain't got no
Make-
come out weapon in.
Oh, man.
Bitch, son, y'all ass bitches. Come.
Why you locking me up?
Get in the fucking car.
Why you locking me up, though?
Trespassing. Get in the car.
Damn.
All right, gonna go that way?
You locking me down. You knocked me on the floor.
Stand up. Stand the fuck up.
Get it right.
Hold on, I'll get in. You don't got to
Get
get
in.
in.
Get in. Get
I'm getting. You didn't tell me to.
Get in.
This woman was cited for misdemeanor trespass and disorderly conduct.
Chico, shut up talking to me. For real.
The other woman was charged with a felony count of aggravated battery to a peace officer and brought to a Cook County courthouse for a detention hearing. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on.
Yo, That was crazy. I see you, nurse. Oh, that joint look. I gotta start doing some more cops and Is this cops and Karens? You know, I'm subscribed to this channel and I don't even be watching their videos like that. Somebody, one of the subscribers sent me this video. Wow. Yeah, they had to get her together. That's a fact. That's a fact. They got her together, boy. That throwing that water and all that was so unnecessary. She was actually pretty calm, you know, and then she just flipped the switch like that. And then she bawled. Golly, man, that was crazy. That was all unnecessary. Completely unnecessary. Anyway, yeah, they got her together, man. I like that one officer though. He know what's going on. Why did she get blue? There we go. All right. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get officers, man. I'm gonna get them, man. I'm giving 4 out of 5, man. 4 out of 5. I think they did pretty good, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.